Fucking A-rates we did, boys.
Fucking A-rates, boys. Barker Fabrications back at you. Oh, deck. Fucking got a big old something for you going on today, boys. Cruising here in the dirty old classy Chrysler New Yorker. Got the fucking pillows in and on to her and all such, boys. Oh, fuck. But anyways, going back home to do a little bit of unboxing. Gonna see what we got for the sun today, boys. Big time fucking fabrication project going on. Stay tuned, Barker Fab. Oh, fuck, boys. Out here with the dirty old fucking Dodge. Guess what? She ain't just a Dodge anymore, boys. She's a fucking plow truck. Got the fucking 2,500 pounder winch there, buds. To the pulley. Fucking dirty old plow truck now, boys. Plows like a rat cigarette. Oh, fuck yeah. So show you some action over. There she is, boys. Off the ground there. Lowers the truck down a little bit. Not too bad, not too bad. She works decent. Did some plowing with her. As you can see, she's snowy as a rat cigarette. Oh, if you can see, we did some dirty old plowing down here with the dirty old Dodge. Made a path up here down to the hay barn there yonder. Cleared up a little bit. Works pretty decent. Floats like a rat McCigarette. Fuck yeah, we did, boys. All the way up yonder. Oh, fuck yeah. Decent plow truck on our hands, boys. Off to a dirty old whiskey and water here, boys, on the dirty old Gentleman Jack. Oh, fuck yeah, we did, boys. Hey, anyways, thanks for tuning in. Fucking hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like this motherfucker. So we out here, Barker Fabrications, bitch. Oh, damn.